Hey everyone, this is Stephanie from the Active Spot. I wanted to take you through how to purchase and make your own TRX suspension training system. So I have a chart here for you. You can see that all of this stuff you can buy from Walmart. A lot of it you can also get from your nearest home improvement store like a Menards or Lowe's or a Home Depot. As far as the fitness part goes, you might have to go to Walmart or a different department store to find these pieces. But anyways, here's the layout for you. You'll need a 2-pack of ratchet straps, and I have those right here. So this is one of them, and then I have a second, and I'll show you the layout on the floor. For those, it's about $10. It's $9 and some change. You also will need one set of fitness handles, like so. And my set of fitness handles came with a door anchor, which looks like this. That set of fitness handles and the door anchor was $9 and some change as well. So far we're at $20. You then will need 3 steel carabiners to assemble the system, and they look like this. They come in probably an assortment of different packs and varieties, but you want to make sure that the load is, I think this is 200 pounds. So you don't want to get those cheap chintzy ones that you put on your keychains. You want to make sure that they are steel carabiners. And for 3 of those, you're looking at about $6. So total, we're at about $26 for a DIY TRX at-home suspension training system. If you buy directly from the TRX brand, or you go on Amazon, or you search on Google, the cheapest version you're going to find for the at-home kit is $99.95. So you're saving a lot of money if you are willing to do this yourself. So that's the cost breakdown and what you would need. I'm going to show you how to assemble the TRX and then how to use it. So I've already set my toe straps to a certain length, but once you mess with the toe straps, you can make it longer or shorter. It depends on the exercise that you're doing. So if you're doing a core exercise and you're closer to the floor, the strap's going to be longer. If you're standing up doing something like a bicep curl or a row, your strap's going to be at a mid-length or a shorter length. So I take my 2 toe straps, okay, and I'm going to put the hooks together. And I'm not going to worry so much about the hook part. I'm concerned about the loops right here. I'm going to take that exercise handle that I have. I attach the carabiner, one of the 3 carabiners to that to that door anchor. And I'm going to take that carabiner and I'm going to put it through these 2 loops here. 1 and 2. So now I have the toe straps hanging from the door anchor. Okay? At the ends of my toe straps, I have 2 more hooks. These are going to be separate from each other where the handles are going to go. So on each one, I'm going to take the other 2 carabiners. I'm going to hook it through that loop part, not the hook, but the loop. Okay? And then I'm going to take that exercise handle and clip it in. So it's like this. Okay? I'm going to get the other handle hooked up here through that loop, through the exercise handle. Okay? Now I'm going to go through and put it in the door and just show you a couple exercises. So in order for me to do that, I have to move the camera. Try not to make you dizzy. So the door. I pick up my TRX set. It's going to sound a little noisy. I'm going to take my door anchor. You want to make sure that you give a little tug on the system before you use it. You want to make sure that that door anchor is nice and set in whatever door you're using. I like to lock the doors for extra safety, but make sure that the door actually latches. And then a good way to kind of tell if your weight isn't going to ruin the door is to drop one foot back like so. So I'm going to step back, pull on it a little bit, and just make sure that the door's not going to fly open. You also notice that I put the anchor towards the middle of the door. It's even better if you place it towards, more toward the hinges of the door. It's just more secure. So choose your door wisely and make sure the anchor is properly in place. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some exercises to do with the TRX now that I've already showed you how to assemble it. So these are rows. Then we have what you call gaiters. So for the gaiters, you're going to think about opening nice and wide, like an alligator's mouth. Good. So that's for mainly back and upper body. And then I'm just going to do some squats. So the TRX can be an assistance for squats. So people who are newer at the exercise, or they might be coming back from a surgery or something like that, using the TRX and squats can be very helpful. So again, I'm going to adjust the video. And I'm going to do some squats. So, just a few exercises you can do with the TRX, and it's a great at-home piece of equipment to have. And like I said, you can get it for about $26, which is a lot better than what the TRX brand sells it for $99.95. So, enjoy!